In this video lecture, we will talk about what is heat transfer in detail. Heat generation. Heat generation. Note that heat generation is a volumetric phenomenon. That is, it occurs throughout the body of a medium. Therefore, the rate of heat generation in a medium is usually specified per unit volume. Okay, guys, you have to know about the difference between the heat flux and heat generation. Okay, we'll talk about it. Therefore, the rate of heat generation in a medium is usually specified per unit volume and is denoted by E generation, whose unit is watt per meter cube. The rate of heat generation in a medium may vary with time as well as position within the medium. When the positive variation of heat generation with position is known, the total rate of heat generation in a medium of a volume V can be determined from the E generation rate of heat generation equal to integrate to that volume the heat generation into dV, change in volume. In a special case of uniform heat generation, what? Okay, in a special case of uniform heat generation, as in case of electric resistance, heating throughout a homogeneous material, the same equation reduces to this. Above equation reduces to heat generation per unit heat generation, rate of heat generation equal to heat generation into V, where heat generation small e generation, the constant rate of heat generation per unit volume. This is given in a per unit volume like this. Okay, guys, per heat generation जैसे joule per unit volume into V, this volume will cut and we will get the heat generation, total heat generation. This is the total heat generation, this is heat generation per unit volume. If we multiply it by the volume, we will get the total heat generation. Okay, guys, multi-dimensional heat generation, we will talk about it in lecture.